Hi guys, so today we are making a simple boat, a houseboat with paper. So as you can see here, the materials are quite simple. Staples, scissor and some paper. A4 size is the best. So here I have taken black paper and yellow paper. So let's get started, shall we? So we need to arrange both the papers just like this, and we need to cut small strips of it. Now we are making the palette everywhere so that it will be easier for us to cut. So now let's cut through this line. Ta-da! So if you look closely, we have 8 strips, 4 yellow and 4 black. So how do we make it? I said it's kind of simple, and it will be. So you take a strip and take the first one, overlap it, and the third one, overlap it. And well, it's a start. But for the second strip, we need to use the second and fourth, like that. Odd and even, if you will. So here what you basically need to do is, here I have 4 for simplicity, and just check the odd ones and even ones. In this case, the first one and third one are odd, but the second and fourth one are even. So keep that in mind, and the first one will go through the odds and the evens will be covered. The odds must be facing, and in the second one, the evens will be facing and the odds will be covered. That's it. As simple as that. So let's just repeat the same thing one more time. Okay, so we are done. It took only 5 minutes. So now we have an odd hashtag. What should we do? So the next steps are kind of simple. First, move it to one side, and then take all these 4 strips and make it point a bit bluntly like this. So guys, just do the same thing all 4 sides, front, back, left, right, all 4 sides. So it kind of looks like a double boat, one boat smashed into another. But to make it a houseboat with one more staple, so what you need to do is fold them up to form an arch and just bam, that's it. And just shape it a little, and here we have a beautiful houseboat. So guys, as you can see, I have made a few more boats. And so guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.